How to fix a Steam corrupt update file. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix the Steam corrupt update files. So for that you need to follow the following steps. So when you open it you will see an interface like this. So the first way that you can do is go on the setting option which is on the top left corner. You will see the option of settings and just tap on that. So after tapping on the setting option you need to tap on the downloads on the left hand bar which is right here, and after tapping on the downloads which is on the left hand bar you need to tap on clear cache which will pop up on your screen. Just tap on confirm and then you are done. If this does not solve your problem, then there is second way that you can do. You can simply go on the settings now as well, but now you need to go on the storage option. After tapping on the storage option, tap on repair library and this might also solve your problem. And the last way that you can do is directly go to your library. After directly going on to your library, go to the installed file options and see if everything is updated or installed properly, and if it is not then you can update or install it, and if it is then this should solve your problem lastly. So these are the steps that you can follow. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video then please do thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Also comment on the comment section below.